We have some more bullish news regarding the Bitcoin ETFs, which are extremely bullish for cryptocurrency. Matrix Port says 95% chance of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval in January. We're also seeing that the SEC again is meeting again with BlackRock. BlackRock just updated, I believe it was yesterday, the last couple of days, their spot Bitcoin ETF application, which is needed for their immediate approval. So everything is lining up for the Bitcoin spot ETF to be approved. And now there are rumors that the Bitcoin spot ETF could potentially be approved before the 1st of January, which I think probably a likely scenario. Everyone is saying, hey, the spot ETF is going to be approved the 10th of January, something like that. But guess what? I don't think they all want you to know exactly when to buy in and to get in before this huge pump that's going to happen for cryptos. Now, there is a possibility, it's a very small possibility, that these ETFs could get delayed and then they will eventually get approved maybe a month later or 2 months later. That is a possibility, but a delay might push the crypto market down for the short term. But I'm not really seeing that possibility at the moment as anything viable. It seems what's really viable and what's more likely is for these ETFs to be approved without any further delays, because all the ETF applicants have updated and done everything that they need to do to get these Bitcoin ETFs approved by the SEC. We're also seeing that these Bitcoin ETFs are now being listed on the DTCC website under their certain ticker symbols. So everything is looking bullish. Everything is lining up according to as we are expecting. However, let's take a look at the price of cryptocurrencies right now. Let me share with you my thoughts where I think cryptos are headed right now in the immediate short term. So something very interesting, the S&P 500 finally broke and made all-time highs today. This is the stock market made all-time highs forever. Like, this is the highest the stock market has ever been. And I do believe that they are going to try to pump this market up in the year 2024 to make Biden look good. And that's typically what they do with certain elections. So it's an election year, which means that they're going to turn the money printer on. The money printer, they are going to pump the market to make that their candidate is doing a great job, which I really hope they continue to do so. Now, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin is just consolidating. Bitcoin is holding very strong, and it's just been bouncing back and forth in this tight little range. Things are looking bullish, and Bitcoin is forming lower highs, of course. It is rejecting. However, with all this news out here, Bitcoin is just not crashing. It's holding up very strong. So I'm expecting that there is obviously two possibilities here. You know, we could either go up or down, which is something that I like to say. Hey guys, not financial advice, but we can go up or down. It's a 50-50 chance, right? It's always a funny meme when I say that. To me, it does look like Bitcoin is distributing, that it's correcting, that's going to be heading lower, because every single pump recently sells off for the most part. But with this good news that has come out today, realizing and showing everybody, hey, this Bitcoin ETF is about to be approved and it can be approved any day now. I think that that's what's really holding up the Bitcoin prices, the crypto prices, a lot of altcoins as well. And it would not surprise me if we continue pumping. It really would not. In order for us and for me to be confident that we are going to continue pumping, we need to break this resistance, which is 43,500. If we can break and hold above this level here, I think we could easily see $48,000 or potentially much higher. And there's going to be an ETF rally pump coming very, very soon. I don't know when. There's potentially going to be a Santa rally coming up. We will have to see. But it all depends on what Bitcoin does in this range here. If it breaks and kind of does a false breakout, comes back under, we will probably get that bigger correction of 38,000 and change, which I'm expecting. But if Bitcoin breaks above here with all this bullish news, which is honestly starting to look potentially quite likely, then we're going to see higher prices in that regards, all altcoins as well. Here's a couple of trades that I took today. I realized $576 here, and I realized about 126. So today I made about $1,000, and then the previous trade, $300. All from trading on Woo's, a platform that I use. If you are in the US, you'll not be able to use this platform, but it has the cheapest trading fees in every crypto platform in the world, something that I'm trading on, so highly recommend you guys check it out. I put out alerts like this to long and short cryptocurrencies, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies that are in massive profits. In the Patreon, if you guys want immediate access for that, I just put out a 20% move where we caught Shiba Inu, 20% move on Shiba Inu in just the last few days. Also, I really highly recommend that you guys check out Algosniper trading indicator. Look, it gave us a seller at the very top for Bitcoin, then it crashed 10%. Give us a buy alert, you would have caught a pump there. A huge buy alert, caught a 20% move. If you guys want to have access to this amazing indicator, you guys can try it today for free at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.